What's up, guys? We are down here for the first day of the Khmer New Year celebration. As you know, it's normally in April, but it was canceled this year because of the virus and the pandemic. But now, today is the first day. And you can see they have all kinds of boats lined up on the other side. We got some over here. Really nice. Nice breeze down by the river. And in another note, I have an issue. Remember that pair of flip-flops I bought a while ago for like $2? Well, they finally bit the dust. As you can see here, Lai tried to put it together with bubble gum. She chewed out some bubble gum and trying to use that as an adhesive, but that is not really working. So I'm down here with one. Oh, let me get this up here. Sorry. I'm up here with one shoe. The sacrifices I make for you guys is incredible. This is not going to last but maybe a few steps. You get what you pay for. I thought I needed a new pair for $2. What could go wrong? Well, this is what could go wrong. Yep, there it goes. Yeah. So, and now I got gum on my foot as well. Oh well. We're going to go on anyway. Going to continue hoping I don't step on anything sharp or that contains body fluid. That would not do. But right now everything's just getting set up. The celebrations and parties and whatnot will be later tonight. We will probably not be able to get down here for that. Look at over there. Look at all them boats. Pink boats, blue boats, green boats, yellow boats, red boats. All different colored boats for the boat races. That should be coming up. As you can see, they're working on everything down here. Getting everything set up. It's looking very festive. And technically, I don't think we were supposed to be down this road because they have rope across the entrances. That's how you get something done like that. Pounding it into the water. Wow. I don't know how he does that. This right here is kind of the over on this side is they're going to have like a, of course, food stalls, places to get stuff to drink. And everybody's getting set up for that. And of course, up ahead, you'll see the VIP tent. This is where dignitaries and other people will of course, be sitting, all the important people, to watch the races as everybody cheers on their favorite teams. And even though it doesn't seem like there's a lot going on right now, and there's not, but the thing is, this is the most activity I've seen down here, and hello. I've seen down here in a long time, and it feels really good. It's making me really happy to see all the activity and all the people, and people getting hyped up for the big celebration. So yeah, it's a very good thing. Let's see what else we got up here. Water unit set up. People can wash their hands. See, they even have a little guide. See, even though they're having the celebration and there are going to be crowds and things, they're doing it within the guidelines to prevent the spread of the virus and stuff. And I know Jeremy and Claire from the Channel 4 Reel, their link is down below. They just made a video talking about how Cambodia kind of beat the COVID-19 and their thoughts on that. Very informative, very good, and you should definitely watch it. I think one of the things I would say is that when it first happened and government started telling people, hey, don't touch your face, wear a mask, and don't gather in public places, stay 6 feet apart, and all that. Well, people here just did that. They just listened to their government and practiced all their social distancing, wash their hands, use hand sanitizer. Generally, a lot of people wear masks here anyway, so that wasn't really a big change. So, and I think that was part of the reason why it actually went as well as it did here. With only a little over 200 confirmed cases, 0 deaths, and a very huge recovery rate. I think all but 11 or 12 people have recovered, according to the official government statistics. Here's another sign, see? Social distancing, 6 feet apart. So yeah, I think they did a lot of things right. The people here, they heard about the guidelines and the precautions, and they just said, okay, that is what we'll do. And I think it was very, very successful. And this, the Khmer New Year celebration is going to be awesome, I think. Everybody's been cooped up. There hasn't been a lot going on in town. And I think there's going to be a lot of people very, very happy. They're going to be out celebrating. So, good time of year, I think. And guys, be sure to keep in mind that we are going to get matching donations again this month. I don't know for how much, but that means every time you donate now, that will double up to a certain amount. So if you're thinking about donating, now would be a great time. We could use the boost, and it would be very much appreciated. And your dollars will go further. We still have people to feed and kids to teach. And I don't want to stop any of that. Something I enjoy very much. So if you want to donate through PayPal, join my Patreon, or buymeacoffee.com/DDC, all those links are down below. You can find them all down there. And of course, I'll send you some free stuff, just as a way of saying thank you. At the end of this video, there's going to be a 5-minute tuk-tuk ride, pass-app ride home from the old market to our apartment. There's no talking in it. I just put some music over it. The reason I was going to use it for something else, and it didn't quite fit with what I wanted it for. So I have the footage, and I know some people like watching the tuk-tuk rides. Some people don't. So instead of including it in this regular video, I decided to just put it at the end for whoever wants to watch the additional 5 minutes. It's in real time. So that is coming up. But like I said, be sure to check out all my links down below. Also, other channels vlogging in Cambodia. They are awesome. They have good information, and you'll see things on there and sites and information that you won't find on my channel. All those links are down below. Also, if you didn't know, I write books. The links to the ones I have written so far that you can purchase are down below, and all my social media as well. Once again, I want to thank all my supporters. You guys have made a lot of good stuff happen. And it's always appreciated. I hope you enjoyed the tuk-tuk ride. And I will talk to you guys in the next one, because I need to go find some flip-flops. This pavement is hot on my bare foot. And just a little update before I quit this video. Instead of buying a new pair, we came down here to this little stand. Little roadside stand here. He does shoe repairs. They make keys for you. Locksmith. So we decided to see if he can save the flip-flop instead. Talk to you later.